Hi guys, welcome to Ken Bean Art Channel. Today I will draw a picture of a small house with sun, clouds, rain, and rainbow. Let's do it together. Oh, the house has taken shape. Now I will draw the clouds. And a rainbow of colors.
There was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
I will color the house.
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Color the clouds blue. I will color the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, beautiful. Thank you for watching.